This video will introduce you to the SNAPTAIN P40 LITE. Unboxing. Inside the SNAPTAIN P40 LITE, you will find the following. Downloading the app. Scan the QR code on the package or search SNAPTAIN Go on App Store to download and install SNAPTAIN Go app. Preparing for flight. Install the battery into the drone. Use the included USB-C charging cable to charge the battery. The battery indicators flash green when charging and turn off when fully charged. Use the included USB-C charging cable to charge the remote. The battery indicators flash green when charging and turn off when fully charged. Insert a micro SD card to the drone. Remove the gimbal cover. Extend the front arms, rear arms, and propellers. Unfold the handles and antennas. Remove the control sticks from their storage slots and mount them to the remote. Extend the phone holder and insert your phone with its charging port facing right. Connect the phone to the Type-C port on the right side of the remote using the appropriate connection cable from the package. Place the drone on a level surface. To power on the drone, press the power button once, then hold it until all battery indicators illuminate. To power on the remote, press the power button once, then hold it until all battery indicators illuminate. The drone will automatically pair with the remote. The remote system status light changes from red to green when paired successfully. Linking. Launch the app and wait for the connection status to update. Once the disconnected changes to connected on the screen, tap the Start button to access the live control interface. GPS satellite signals. After powering on, the drone will automatically search for GPS satellite signals. Check the GPS signal status on the live control interface in the app. When the number of satellites exceeds 10, the drone is ready for takeoff. Fly basics. Takeoff. Option 1. Using remote. Push the left stick down right and the right stick down left at the same time until the propellers start rotating. Then push the left control stick forward. Option 2. Using one key takeoff. When the Ready to Fly prompt shows in the top left corner of the app, tap the one key takeoff icon on the left. Tap and hold to confirm, and the drone will automatically take off, ascending to a height of 6.5 feet and hovering in place. Option 3. Throwing away. On the app screen, tap Setting in the top right corner. Select Control and scroll to the bottom to find Throwing Away. Tap to enable the feature. When the Ready to Fly prompt shows in the top left corner of the app screen, hold the drone from the bottom with its head facing downward and tilt it vertically for 2 to 3 seconds. The drone will emit alert sound, indicating it is ready for takeoff. Toss the drone upward or forward, and it will automatically stabilize and hovering in place. Flight directions. After takeoff, the left control stick is used for adjusting the flight altitude and nose orientation. The right control stick allows the drone to move forward, backward, and to the left and right. Speed switch. Switch between 3 speed modes by pressing the speed switch button on the remote. You can view and adjust each mode's exact speed settings in the app. Taking photos and recording videos. Using the remote control. Taking photos. Press the photo button on the top left side of the remote to take photos and save to the SD card. Recording videos. Press the video button on the top right side of the remote to start recording a video. Press it again to stop and save to the SD card. Using the app, tap the photo button to capture a photo. Wrap the shooting icon on the app screen to switch to the video mode. Tap the video button to start recording. Tap it again to stop and save the video. Tap the zoom icon or pinch or spread on the screen to adjust zoom level. Gimbal tilt. Adjust the gimbal's angle by scrolling the gimbal tilt dial on the top left side of the remote. Press the FN button on the top right of the remote to instantly toggle the gimbal between 0 degrees to 90 degrees. Return to home. To activate RTH, press and hold the RTH button on the remote, or tap the RTH/landing icon on the app screen. Press and hold RTH. The drone will automatically return to its home point. Landing. Using remote. Pull the left control stick fully backward to make the drone descend and land. Using app. In the app, tap the RTH/landing icon, then select land. The drone will descend and land at its current position. Download photos and videos. Tap the album icon to view photos and videos. Open the photo or video you'd like to download. Tap the download icon, then confirm with yes. Tap the fast transmission icon to enable high-speed transfer, then tap OK and select Connect to the drone. Open the photo or video you'd like to download. Tap the download icon, then confirm with OK. Storage. Power off the aircraft. Fold the aircraft arms. Attach the gimbal cover. Power off the remote controller. Remove the control sticks and store it in the storage slots on the bottom of the remote controller. Store the aircraft and remote controller in the carry bag. Thanks for watching.